I'm Glenn Tapenit, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, year 1996 at the University of Southeastern Philippines. Passed the board exam on October 1996. I'm a senior sales engineer of Gutesco Marketing from 1997 up to the present. Generator is an electrical equipment which converts mechanical energy into an electrical energy. It has two parts. The drive. The drive is the one that drives the dynamo to produce electricity. The functions and usage of generator is to generate electricity for useful electrical consumption in our industrial and home, our homes. Electric motor. Electric motor is an electrical equipment which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. It has two parts, the stator and the rotor. The stator is the non-moving part of an electric motor, which sometimes houses the coil. The rotor is the moving part of an electrical motor. Function usage. It is used for industrial application, for transport, industrial application, and everyday application in our everyday appliances. Enough. Transformer. Transformer is an electrical equipment which converts electrical energy to another form of electrical energy for useful consumption. Parts of a transformer are the primary and the secondary. Primary and the secondary. The function of transformer is to steps up voltage to be used for industrial application. That's all. Ano to?
Bobo lang nag...
Hmm?
Ito lang daw. Sabi.